Welcome to MetaMask versus MetaMask swaps. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both features are included in the description. In this video, we'll explore the differences between the MetaMask wallet and its built-in swaps feature, explaining how they work together and who they're best suited for. MetaMask, at its core, is a highly popular and user-friendly non-custodial crypto wallet. It supports the Ethereum blockchain and other EVM-compatible networks, allowing users to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies, manage custom tokens, and interact with decentralized applications, dApps. Available as both a browser extension and mobile app, MetaMask provides an intuitive interface for users. Whether they're minting NFTs, engaging with DeFi protocols, or simply managing their crypto assets. Security is a priority, with private keys stored locally and protected by a seed phrase. MetaMask Swaps, meanwhile, is a feature built directly into the wallet, designed to simplify token trading. Instead of requiring users to connect to third-party decentralized exchanges, DEXs, like Uniswap or SushiSwap, Swaps aggregates liquidity from multiple DEX and professional market makers. This ensures users get competitive rates while trading within the MetaMask interface. It's incredibly convenient for users who want to swap tokens quickly without leaving the wallet, and it supports a wide range of ERC20 tokens. However, swaps comes with fees. MetaMask charges a service fee of 0.875% in addition to network gas fees, which might make it less appealing for frequent or high-volume traders. The choice between MetaMask and MetaMask swaps isn't about picking one over the other. They're complementary. If you're looking for a reliable wallet to store and manage your assets while engaging with dApps, MetaMask is indispensable. On the other hand, MetaMask Swaps is ideal for users who occasionally need to exchange tokens and value the convenience of doing so directly within the wallet, even if it means slightly higher fees. In summary, MetaMask is the wallet you use, and MetaMask Swaps is the feature you activate when you need to trade. Both are powerful tools, and together they make for a seamless crypto experience. Check out the links in the description to explore both, and let us know how you use them in the comments.